Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to open up files with the extension HEIC on Linux Mint, and more specifically images. So usually you'll run into files or images with the extension HEIC when you're exporting originals from your iPhone. I believe it's since iOS 11 that originals, which are photos that you take with your iPhone, are stored in this format. And it can be sort of tricky to figure out how to open those up on Linux, so I'm going to go ahead and walk you through that. So what I'm going to do is we're going to use GIMP, which is a very common image manipulation tool. It's free and open source on Linux and Windows, but you can easily install it using a snap package. So just go ahead and run this one simple command, and it'll go ahead and install it. It's really a feature-rich application. There's a lot that you can do with it, and I certainly don't know the extent of it, but there's definitely a lot to learn in regards to it. So then what you're going to want to do, because my photo is stored on a USB drive, I'm going to want to allow GIMP to access the removable drives and just be able to open up the directories. So type sudo snap connect GIMP : removable media. Hit enter, and now GIMP can access if there's any other hard drives that you have on your computer or USB drives as well. And then the last command that we're going to want to run is sudo apt-get install libheif-examples. So now this is a plugin for GIMP, which and just Linux in general, that'll allow it to open these types of files. So now all we need to do is we can either double click it or right click and open with the image manipulation program, and that'll take a minute to boot up. And then, like I said, this is a very feature-rich application. You can do a lot with it. You can view the metadata of the photo, or change some crop it, do color changes with it. You can do really a lot. But just go ahead and keep, and there's the photo. This is a photo of inside my computer, but just real simple. Now you can do this with any. You can open up very easily any other images that you have with the extension HEIC. So hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below.